How to clone your voice with AI for free. So let's get started. Head over to this website play.ht and then click on products. Here you need to select voice cloning. Now click on clone a voice now. Here you need to sign up. I am signing up with my Google account. After signing in, click on individual. Here you can select other your use case. I am using it for my YouTube videos. Click on continue. After that, click on create clone voice. Click on this instant. Define input language. I am selecting English. Next, you either need to upload a high quality audio samples in the form of MP3, MP4, or you can record audio. I am uploading file in video format. After that, you can say my voice. It is now uploading. Voice gender male. After that, confirm and then click on finish. Voice cloned successfully. I want to use it. Click it here. Now go to ChatGPT and paste it here, and now click on generate speech. Now let's play it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster. Today we're stepping away from our usual tech content to take
As you can see, my voice has cloned now.
you on a journey across the globe. That's right, we're counting down.
Now if you want to add another paragraph, you can simply add it here. If you want to download this cloned voice, you can simply click it here and the file has been downloaded. You can run it.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster.
So if you want to try this website, the website link is in the description below. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.